Hey there, space enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of moon phases and exploring what the moon will look like on August 9th, 2026. It's an exciting journey, and I can't wait to share my thoughts and insights with you. So, let's start with a little context. We're just a few nights away from the new moon, which means the moon is gradually becoming less visible each evening. Tonight, we'll be witnessing a waning crescent phase, where only 16% of the moon's surface is illuminated. Now, here's the interesting part. Without any visual aids, you might only catch a glimpse of the Aristarchus Plateau. But if you're equipped with binoculars or a telescope, you're in for a treat. You'll be able to spot the Grimaldi Basin as well. But why does the moon appear to change so dramatically throughout the month? Well, it all comes down to the positions of the Sun, Earth, and Moon. As the moon orbits our planet, these celestial bodies dance in a cosmic ballet, altering the amount of illuminated surface we see from our perspective. And that's how we get to witness the magical sequence of moon phases, from the elusive new moon to the breathtaking full moon and back again. Speaking of phases, let's break it down. There are 8 distinct phases that the moon goes through during its lunar cycle, which lasts approximately 29.5 days, according to NASA. Here's a quick rundown. New moon. The moon is positioned between the Earth and the Sun, leaving the side we see in darkness. Waxing crescent. A small sliver of light appears on the right side in the northern hemisphere, marking the beginning of a new cycle. First quarter. Half of the moon is lit on the right side, giving us the iconic half-moon appearance. Waxing gibbous. More than half of the moon is illuminated, but it's not quite a full moon yet. Full moon. The entire face of the moon is lit up, a truly stunning sight. Waning gibbous. The moon starts to lose its illumination from the right side, northern hemisphere. Third quarter, or last quarter, another half-moon, but this time, the left side is lit. Waning crescent. A thin sliver of light remains on the left side before the moon goes dark again, completing the cycle. Now, personally, I find it absolutely fascinating how these phases create such a beautiful and dynamic display in our night sky. It's a constant reminder of the intricate dance of our solar system. And the best part? We get to witness this celestial show every single month. So, as we approach August 9th, 2026, keep an eye on the sky and appreciate the waning crescent phase. It's a unique and captivating sight, and I hope you'll join me in celebrating the wonders of our universe. Until next time, keep looking up and exploring the mysteries of the cosmos. P.S. Don't forget to mark your calendars for the next full moon on August 28th.